welcome to the August Endless Summer Sales Event. If you think it's getting hot outside, boy do we even have some hotter deals going on. We got mini X's, mini skids, skid steer attachments, building kits, 10K car lifts, and much, much more. So let's get going and check it out. We have our 40-inch trenchers for a skid steer, our material crusher, a grapple bucket, more brush hogs, a lot of brush hogs, pallet forks, hydraulics, tillers, an actual 9-way dozer blade down on the bottom, a legit dozer blade, our 50-inch forestry mulchers, more power rakes, more brush hogs. Like I said, we got a lot of brush hogs this auction. More no-till seeders. Here's our AGT 10K vehicle, car, truck, post lifts. They're a 2-post. Then we move into more tillers. We have, I think these are supposed to be more of a high flow rated brush hog. Yep, 30 to 40 GPM. A bunch of pallet forks. Holy cow, a bunch. We have air compressors. More trenchers. Power rakes. We have the Mini X attachments that come as a set. Augers, fence post pounder, a breaker, and flail brush cutters. Oh, that's for an excavator. All right. Yeah. Here we have excavator attachments for a skid steer, power rakes, stump grinder, 1-ton rated excavator attachments, and more fence rolls. Here we have a better look of the sickle bar mower from Wig. Auger setup and more AGT 2K lifts, more of the Mini X attachments, trenchers, tillers, normal standard flow brush hogs, brooms, and I think these are more like snow dozer blades. They're not actually a dozer blade, but I guess you can make it work. Then we have our ride-on mini skids. Be advised, the way these get packed in, they all come with scuffs. There's no way for these ride-on mini skids to come without some fun on them, like that one. And then a bunch more of the same Mini X's, just in different color variations. More AGT stuff for the mini skids. What we do have that is different is we have this self-loading dumper that is ride-on. This month we have blue colored dumpers. So a nice change up from the yellow, but still the same. Here we have our carports, both are the same size, 20 by 11s. We have straps. We have chains and binders. We have wheel balancers and tire changing machines. We actually have several of those. That's what all these are, just different vans. Here we have all of our building kits. We got a lot. Our 42 by 30s, that's a 2-box set, livestock metal sets, galvanized siding. Boy, do we got a lot of them. Quite a few livestock metal sheds, then some smaller of the metal sheds. We got our portable bathroom. Does have a shower. Like, these are pretty neat. And then we have more building kits, more building kits. And our 7-foot by 20-foot length ones. This month we have several controllers in our auction. These go to scissor lifts. We have several that look unused, and then several that are and have been used from like the paint specs, as you can see. And then a different style.